Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joss. Today we are talking about how to be better at sex. So this is a talk and a little easy meditation for men. Men, this is for you. Stay tuned. When I say be better at sex, I'm talking about being more mindful, being more present, how to feel more confident, and also tap into the sexual power within you that is flowing within you. Okay, so let's get into it. Please don't forget to subscribe and also join the newsletter. What's so exciting about all of this stuff is you can do it all from home. Trust your power to self-heal. So let's start here. Let's start in your mind. Sex is an energetic exchange, and that should not be taken lightly. So if you are watching this and you want to be better at sex, you want to feel more powerful, you want to feel more mindful, more present, more in tune, let's start here. Sex is an energetic exchange. Do you believe that? If you don't believe that, if you don't see it that way, if it's not, a magical cosmic experience, if you don't really view it like that, there is some healing there for you to do. And that's okay. We're all on different journeys, different experiences, but this is where it starts, is the mindset shift, is to trust and believe this and really respect sexuality and the exchange that you have with your partner. If you sense like, I don't think I'm really there yet, I don't really see it as sacred, spiritual, comment below, send me a message. Maybe there's some other practices that you can explore right now before you get to this space. Our thoughts create our reality. You can't achieve your goals if you don't already feel like you are that. And what I mean by that, I don't know if that made sense. Say you want to be better at sex, you want to feel more confident, have more sexual power. You have to really feel that within you right now. You have to trust that that is already there. It can't be something outside of you that you're trying to grasp. It's not going to work. So this is where we start, is with the mindset shift, almost like rewiring your brain to trust that you can have these things. And maybe you want to really focus on that right now. What is it that you want to achieve? Really start to feel pride, feel excited about your goals, and really trust that you can have those things because they're already within you. I'm going to go through a few points and I'm going to share with you a meditation that you can do every single day, and you can start working towards being better at sex, more mindful, more present, feeling that power, tapping into that energy, getting more in tune with your partner. This is a big one, okay? And this is something I've noticed with a lot of men is, are you mindful? And if you're like, what the fuck does that have to do with sex? Just hear me out. The more mindful that you can be, the more in tune you can be with your own sexual energy and with your partners. Take this in baby steps. If you want to be more mindful so you can be better at sex, every single day, try to take the little things that you do and be more mindful. Literally brushing your teeth. If you're doing it really fast and not really present in the moment, feel the sensations, feel the pleasure when you brush your teeth, how good it feels. When you eat, take a bite of food, really feel how good does that feel, how to have that energy within you, how it tastes. Start to take those little moments as an opportunity to be mindful. If you are moving through your everyday life on autopilot, chances are you're going to experience sex that way, and you're not going to feel the pleasure of it. You're not going to be better at it, more confident, and really enjoy the moment. That is the first thing to check in with. Be more mindful. Right now, just think about a few things that you can do to be more mindful today or tomorrow, and then start doing that every single day. Okay, so the next thing is to set an intention and start visualize you being better at sex. Really. Now, this is something so cool that indigenous tribes did and still practice today, is this idea of mimicking what you visualize, what your intention is. Start to really see this person who's already within you, who is better at sex, who has this sexual power, this amazing libido, who is connected to their partner. Really visualize that. And not once, you have to do it every single day. Get crazy, be wild with it. See yourself as this man who is having the most cosmic, amazing sex of their life. Have a dance with it. Have a ritual. You see this person, you are this person. Maybe you tried this out as a ritual for 5 minutes a day. Okay, so even do it with me right now. See yourself as this man Really let yourself go there and move with it. Like, just like I said, get crazy, do a dance, like feel yourself, move through the act of sex while you're feeling yourself as this person. Go there, go crazy, do it every single day. Literally mimicking yourself, doing the goals that you want to achieve. Go there. Next thing, and again, this is like something that I see with so many men in their healing journey, which I wish they could access more. I wish that they had more support with this, is to allow yourself to surrender more and get out of the state of like resisting and blocking. And I know a lot of men do this with their feelings and their emotions. Start to allow, to feel more, to let yourself feel what you need to feel. And the reason I say this is because the more you're in tune with your emotions, the more you're in tune with your sacral chakra. This is your sexual power, your sexual energy. You cannot be in tune with this part of your body if you're someone who like really resists or blocks your emotions. It's just impossible. Is there anything that you're really blocking or resisting? You know, feeling sad, feeling upset, feeling grief, feeling loss? I don't know. But how does it feel to just sit with those feelings? Visualize like a flowing river, a waterfall, and just like, okay, you know, these things are just coming through me. They're just passing through. I can do this. I can feel this. Because when I feel, the more I feel, the more I get in tune with my sexual energy, my sexual power. Okay, so stay in your sacral chakra for a moment. This space of sexuality, this space is connected with the water element. The flow of life, the flow of emotions, sexuality, sexual energy, it's flowing, it's water. That's what it's connected with. So how can you be more in that element? Even, you know, visualizing or listening to the sound of water or looking on a video of water if you can't access that, if you're not near water, and just really seeing that flow and being like, yeah, that is like the element that I want to be in. That is like my pleasure, that sensation of flow. That's where we want to be. That's what we want to feel. Say it with me. I am in my flow. I am in my flow of sexual energy, of pleasure, of emotions. I am allowing myself to be a part of that energy. This is the last thing I want to talk about, and this is kind of tying into you being more mindful and being more present, is to start to really, really notice the sensations of your body. And we'll do a meditation for you to access that. What I mean by that is when you're feeling, you know, angry, sad, joyful, how do you feel in your body? Like, what is that like? Start to notice all the sensations, where you feel it, be present with it. Because when you do this, when you're like hyper present with what you're feeling in your body, you're also going to notice what your partner is feeling. There's nothing worse than when you're with someone, when you're having sex, and the man, your partner, he doesn't really notice that you're not liking something or that you do like something, or, you know, that you're really feeling good, you want more of something, because he's just not connected. He's not mindful. He's on autopilot. Start to really notice all the different sensations in your body. Let's just go back to the beginning. Sex is a cosmic exchange. Start to really feel this as a power. If you want to be better at sex, you got to treat it as sacred and cosmic and special. If you don't, then it's not going to be that. It's going to be boring. It's going to be average. Start to see sexuality as the most sacred and cosmic experience and an exchange between two individuals, which means you got to notice who you're having sex with as well. You know, that person better be on the same vibration as you. If they're not, it's going to take away from the experience. So we went through a lot. We went through, you know, the mindset shift of, you know, seeing sex as cosmic and sacred. We went through you being more mindful by taking small experiences throughout your day and making them mindful, how you brush your teeth, how you eat, allowing yourself, so coming out of resistance and being more in the state of allowing, which is the water element, your sacral chakra. You're just befriending your sexual energy, basically, is what I'm saying. And lastly, I've invited you to just get in touch with your body more, notice the sensations of your body, be curious. Let's do a little practice. Okay, my friends, I'm gonna invite you to either be seated or lying down. We're gonna do about an 8-minute meditation. So get comfortable. And this is to help you be better at sex, to tap into your sacral chakra, your sexual power, your sexual energy. We're gonna start by feeling your body in contact with the ground, okay? So you're lying down or you're seated right now. Feel your body in contact with the ground. I'm gonna guide you, so just listen to my voice. Take a deep breath in and out. And now take a scan of your body from the top of your head all the way to your toes, and notice if you're tense anywhere. Okay, maybe the shoulders, in your hips, in your legs, in your stomach. Are you tense anywhere, and can you let go? Okay, now relax your jaw and keep softening your whole body. Close your eyes and breathe very slowly in and out through your nose. There's nowhere to go, there is nothing to do. Inhale, exhale. Welcome a full cycle of breath in again. And inhale and an exhale. Focus on your heart. You could even bring your hands to your heart. How does it feel to breathe here for a moment? Now repeat this with me out loud or in your mind. Pleasure is flowing through me. Pleasure is flowing through me. And I can tap into this energy whenever I want. My sexual energy, my sexual power is always there for me. Breathe into it. Okay, keep relaxing your body. Stay here in your heart as long as you need. Otherwise, I'll invite you to bring your hands down to your sacral chakra. Now, maybe this is just below your belly button, in your groin. It doesn't matter, wherever feels good for you. Feel your hands here. Notice the temperature on your skin. Hear the sound of your breathing. Okay, so stay in this space in your sacral chakra, in your sexual organs, and just notice, what do you feel when you bring your hands here? Is there a feeling, a memory, a thought that is coming up for you? Okay, now I'll invite you to release that, not trying to change it or look too deeply into it. And now noticing if you are drawn to a certain part of your sacral chakra or your sexual organs, it could be internal or external. Do you notice that you're drawn to focus on a certain space? Notice how it feels to breathe in that space if you noticed anything. Okay, just breathe there. Maybe you see a light, a healing light. Okay, keep that gentle breathing going. And now notice, how does it feel in your sexual organs, in your sacral chakra? Does it feel safe here? Does it feel powerful? Or does it feel anxious? Does it feel a little bit lonely or disconnected? No judgment, but what does it feel here? Like, what emotions, feelings are coming up for you? Take a moment for that. Okay, on your next exhale, wash it all away. Wash it all away. Move your hands as you do this. Just kind of rinse that away. Anything that was coming up for you. Okay. Okay, we're going to come back to the idea of mimicking and visualizing that vision that you have for yourself to be better at sex, to feel more sexual confidence, whatever that might be. Keep your hands on your sacral chakra. Take a moment and visualize yourself as this man. Okay, what do you see? Being better at sex, confident, connected to their partner, in their pleasure, amazing libido. Feel it right now, visualize it. Yes, okay, let's come out of this. If you were lying down, come back to seated and come into a power stance. So I'm just simple, keep your hands out wide, lift through your chest, okay, and just feel very confident and powerful for a moment here. Maybe you're standing. Let yourself be that person for a moment. Let your body feel that way. Connected to your sexuality, in your healthy masculinity, all of that good stuff that you want for yourself. Feel it right now. Breathe deeply into it. Okay. There we go. You did it. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you for practicing with me. If you want to be better at sex, please follow the tips that I shared with you. Do the practice every single day and let this become a part of your daily routine. You can have this. You already have it. It's already within you. Coming back to that original point, sex is a cosmic exchange. Your sexuality is extremely powerful. You are very powerful. Trust that. If you don't trust that, work on your healing. The more that you trust that and believe that about yourself, the easier all of this will be. Thank you.